Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy Swahili Kenyan meat soup known as supu ya nyama in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need half a kg of lamb meat, or you can use any meat that you prefer, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, some salt to taste, 1 large slice of onion, 2 chopped potatoes, 1 slice of carrot, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and lastly 1 lime. So the first step, make sure you've washed your meat. Then afterwards, sprinkle some salt to taste. Then add a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, some chopped potatoes, sliced onion and sliced carrots. Then you're going to squeeze a half a lime. And lastly, pour some water. Then cover to let the soup to cook until everything is soft. It took me about approximately 15 to 20 minutes for my meat and vegetables to become soft, and your meat soup is ready, and remove it from the heat and serve in a bowl. And our tasty meat and vegetable soup is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this soup, it's so tasty, and enjoy your meat soup. With this recipe, you can also make some chicken soup, some fish soup, and you can eat along with some chapati, bread, mandazi, or anything that you like, and enjoy this delicious meat soup. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.